In this video, I'll guide you through each step of deleting an audience in MailChimp. If you found this tutorial useful, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and give us a like. It helps us continue providing valuable content. A lot of times, users might want to delete an audience in MailChimp to avoid exceeding subscriber limits or to remove outdated, irrelevant contacts that clutter your account. To start deleting audience, first, log into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Audience to go to the section where all your contacts are listed. Next, click on All Contacts to see your complete contact list. In the contact list, you can choose to delete contacts individually or all at once. If you want to delete contacts one by one, you can select each contact manually. However, if you have many contacts to delete, there's an easier way. Look for a checkbox at the top of the list next to the email address column. Clicking this checkbox will select all the contacts in your list at once, which saves you time. After selecting the contacts you want to delete, go to the top of the page and find a vertical three-dot button. Click this button to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, choose Delete Contacts. A new window will pop up, giving you options for how to handle the selected contacts. In this window, you can choose to either permanently delete the contacts or archive them. If you want to archive them, you'll need to select a reason from a list of options. If you prefer to permanently delete the contacts, you must check a box that says Permanently Delete to confirm this action. Once you've checked the box, click on Continue to Delete. You'll then see a confirmation screen. On this screen, check a final confirmation box and type Permanently Delete in the text area provided. This step ensures that you really want to delete the contacts. After you've completed these steps and clicked Permanently Delete, the selected contacts will be permanently removed from your list. This process helps keep your contact list clean and current by removing outdated or unwanted entries. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe.